Hi Year 1, Mr. Brooks back again. Now remember, we're going to do this inside today, okay? Because it's quite hot and it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter. Try and do it inside as long as you've got a decent space to do it and a safe place to do it. So you might want to ask mum and dad where you could complete this challenge. Also, you could do it outside, but it needs to make sure it's really cool. So maybe in the evening, like I'm doing right now, or really early in the morning before school starts. Okay, but remember, it's getting hot, so be safe. Hi Year 1. So last week we used a ball for a bit of ball familiarization. So this week we're going to continue with the theme of a ball. It's slightly less active, but more concentration needed this week. Now, I've decided to do this in the evening time because it is a lot cooler and the sun is not up in the sky. I would suggest, if you can, do this inside because it's getting really, really hot. If not, really early in the morning or maybe really late in the evening just before you go to bed. But indoors should be fine with this drill. It's not too difficult or crazy. So, first thing you're going to do, 5 throw-in catches, but the ball cannot go above your head height. So I'm going to do this sideways because you can see. So it's almost coming up until it's in line with my eyes and then back into my hands. Really, really simple. Nice sturdy stance. It's just up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy, okay? Then we are going to go into another 5. It's going to go just above our heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do that again, and I want you to watch what my fingers do as I release the ball. Okay, watch the fingers, don't watch the ball. Watch the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fingers point at the ball, and that then provides your target for catching again. Now we're going to make this a little bit more difficult now. We're going to do 4 facing each way. Okay, a bit like a clock, going around the clock. So we're going to go 1, change, 2, change, 3, change, 4, change, back to the start. The next challenge is one hand. So I'm going to put one hand behind my back or in my pocket just to put it away so I'm not tempted to use it. I'm going to start her with my right hand because that's a slightly stronger hand. Okay, we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to move it across to my other hand. Watch my eyes on this ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My eyes follow the ball everywhere. Now the next part is even trickier. Okay, it's going to go from this hand to this hand in a rainbow shape. Up in the air, back down to the other hand. And I'm going to watch this ball travel the whole way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Final challenge, you can go a bit bigger. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lastly, all of those challenges can be done using something smaller. Now it's not a real egg, it's just a toy egg, but it's small. It's a bit like a ball. You could use a rolled up pair of socks, you could use an apple, as long as your mum and dad approve. And all I'm going to do is repeat the same kind of thing. So I might do the small ones, I might do the big ones, I might do the ones around. Okay, I might go the small rainbows, watching the ball into my hands. I might do the big rainbows. Okay, that is your challenge. Start with a big ball, end with a small item. Make sure you've got enough space if you're doing it inside. Have some fun with the ball this week. Enjoy.